In Japanese, hold a special place in Japan's cultural calendar. These events are not just about fireworks. They are a beloved tradition that brings communities together, showcases artistic creativity, and celebrates the beauty of the fleeting moment. Here's an overview of the fireworks display culture in Japan. History. Fireworks have a long history in Japan, dating back to the early 18th century. They were initially used in religious ceremonies and festivals to ward off evil spirits. Over time, the craft of making fireworks evolved, and they became a form of entertainment. Seasonal celebrations. Fireworks displays are most commonly associated with the summer season. The peak of the Hanabi Teikei season is during July and August, when many cities and towns across Japan hold their own fireworks festivals. These festivals often coincide with other summer traditions, such as Obon, a time when Japanese people honor their ancestor spirits. Community and regional pride. Each Hanabi Teikei has its unique charm and character, often reflecting the local culture and traditions of the area. Communities take great pride in organizing these events, and they can become a source of rivalry among regions, with each striving to outdo the others in terms of fireworks quality and spectacle. Artistic expression. Japanese fireworks are renowned for their meticulous craftsmanship and artistry. Pyrotechnicians, known as fireworks masters, or Hanabi shokunin, carefully design and choreograph the displays to create stunning visual effects. These can include intricate patterns, shapes, and even recognizable characters, making each event a work of art in the night sky. Yukata and food stalls. Attending a Hanabi Teikei is not just about the fireworks themselves, it's a holistic experience. Many people dress in traditional summer clothing like yukata, light cotton kimono, and indulge in festival food from stalls set up around the event venues. Common treats include yakitori, grilled chicken skewers, takoyaki, octopus balls, and shaved ice. Fireworks viewing etiquette. Japanese people take their fireworks viewing seriously. There are unwritten rules of etiquette, such as not standing in front of others or blocking their view, and maintaining a respectful and quiet atmosphere during the display. This etiquette fosters a sense of harmony and respect among attendees. Symbolism. Fireworks in Japan are often seen as symbols of fleeting beauty and the transitory nature of life, a concept known as mono no aware. This philosophy emphasizes appreciating the beauty of the moment, as fireworks light up the sky for a brief but dazzling display. Popular festivals. Some of the most famous fireworks festivals in Japan include the Sumida River Fireworks Festival in Tokyo, the Omaguri Fireworks Festival in Akita, and the Nagaoka Fireworks Festival in Niigata. These events attract thousands of spectators and are often televised nationally. In conclusion, the fireworks display culture in Japan is deeply rooted in tradition, artistry, and a sense of community. It's a vibrant and cherished aspect of Japanese summer, where people come together to celebrate and savor the ephemeral beauty of fireworks. Please support and don't forget to subscribe.